Namaste and welcome to day 21 of Start Now. Well, in today's practice, we will be focusing on a lot of breathing practice, which is also known as Pranayama practice. With that, let's get you seated onto the floor. Find a comfortable seat. Keep your eyes closed, body relaxed. Make adjustments, any movements that you like. Try to notice what is your body feeling today. What are you feeling emotionally today? What are you feeling mentally today? How are you feeling physically today? Just having an awareness about yourself and trying to be aware of it. Embracing every bit of you, welcoming every inch of you with a warm, wide and big hug. Today's practice is about connecting yourself with the breath. For that, let's dive into it by joining the palms, inhaling to chant 3 sounds of Om. Inhale. Om. 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 Have a simple intention for your practice. Once you're clear with it, gently relax your hands. Slowly take your time to open your eyes. Beautiful. We'll start our practice with Bhastrika. Bhastrika is an aggressive breath while inhaling and exhaling both. When we do Kapalbhati, the aggression is towards just the exhalation. Inhalation is very passive. It happens automatically. You don't have to inhale necessarily. But in Bhastrika, it's inhalation and exhalation that is both aggressive. So you have to actively inhale also and actively exhale also. What we'll do is, we'll try to do 3 rounds of Bhastrika and we'll take breaks in between the 3 rounds. We'll do it together. Let me show you one round of how Bhastrika is. It's first with your palms up like this as you inhale, and as you exhale, your palms makes a fist and comes down. You're not trying to tense your shoulder or put any weight on the shoulder. It's just the movement that takes your arms up and down. With that, you're inhaling from the nostril and exhaling also from the nostril. If you are in your periods while you're doing this practice, try to just sit through the Bhastrika round or do it gently. Okay? Let me show it to you once. Like that. Yes? I will just count it for you for the first 3 rounds and then take you forward with the practice. Let's get you seated with your eyes closed first. Keep your eyes closed. Inhale, take your palms up with your fingers open. Exhale, pull the palms down, making a fist. Going for 20, inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, keep going. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Slowly relax your hands down. Keep your eyes closed. Don't move. You don't have to open your eyes. Just listen to me and stay with yourself. Observe the heart rate, Inhale completely from the both nostril. Exhale completely from both nostril. Be as still as you can. Allow your heart rate to come down. Going for second round. Inhale, take your palms up. I'm going to do it with you this time. Relax your hands and just breathe normally, keeping your eyes closed. Going for third round. Inhale, take your palms all the way up. Feel free to sit this one out if you're feeling too much, if you're feeling dizzy, or if you're feeling uneasy. Okay? Inhale and begin. Relax your hands and just breathe. Breathe normally. Beautiful. Observe stillness. Lock your right nostril from your right thumb. Inhale and exhale just from the left nostril. Slowly relax the hands. Breathe normally. Stay there with your right hand on your chest, left hand on your navel, and be with yourself. Slowly relax the hands. If your spine feels tired, you can keep your eyes closed and just make little gentle movement and circle movement into the spine. You can round your back. Notice what is happening. Lift up your chest in the front. Round your back on the other side. Gentle movement, bringing awareness and presence in the current present. Keep your eyes closed and see what your body feels like doing. Move and breathe what comes naturally to you. From here, come back center. Just find stillness again. From here, we will chant 5 times M sound, M sound with your palms on the lap only, not moving the palms, shoulders back. M sound, and then after you're done chanting, keep your eyes closed. Keep your lips closed. Let's begin to chant together. Inhale. Enjoy the stillness, enjoy your presence, enjoy where you are in this current time. Embrace every inch and bit of it. From there, slowly straighten your legs. And slowly lie down onto your back. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your hands on your navel. Observe how you're breathing and notice the movements as you breathe. From here, slowly just try to release your palms next to your body. Inhale your whole body, inflating it, and exhale, let your body relax and surrender. Relax your neck. Notice your legs relaxing. Notice your heels relaxing. Notice your ankles relaxing. Notice the back of your knee relaxing. Slowly relax your hips to the floor. Relax your lower back to the floor. Slowly relax your each and every vertebrae with every exhalation on the floor. Try to relax your shoulders, elbows, wrists, and fingertips. Slowly surrender your skull to the floor now. Let every face muscles relax from your face. Let your eyes relax. Let your forehead relax. Let your nose, lips, chin, and everything around surrender and relax with every exhalation. We will chant 3 sounds of Om here together. Inhale. Om. Om. We're going to leave you here for your relaxation. Take some time to rest here, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great practice.